Arvin, have you found already the woman that you can say, indeed, this is the woman that I want to be my companion, my support for the rest of my life? And who is this woman? It is Trixie.
Sunrise lovers, wave wash over me, toss us in the deep. We found love and yours to keep. We're diving under, crash right in me, barefoot in the sea. We found everything we need inside each other. 'Cause we were sunrise lovers.
Hello, Bean. Finally, we're here. I've probably made over 10 different versions of these vows. And here I am, still writing at 4:30 in the morning on our wedding day because I just can't seem to find the perfect words to say. Out of all these versions, one thing has always stayed the same. I'm so grateful to have you, and I'm still in awe that I get to spend the rest of my life with you.
Morning light through the blinds catches your eyes. Feeling high, taking in the ember sky. Sipping on some dandelion, smell of the pines. And it's still true, it's always you. Honey, this love's got no tomorrow. Wherever you go, I'll always follow. You give me love like only God knows. Forever ain't forever without you. I mean it when I say it, honey. I do.
Trixie, I may not say I love you as often as I should, but I hope you've always felt it in the little things, the quiet moments, and in the way I choose you every single day for the past 9 years.
It wasn't a smooth start for us, but we kept choosing each other. And since then, you've been my rock, my safe space. Thank you for always pushing me to be better and for helping me heal parts of myself you didn't even break.
Love for me has always been shown through actions, which I think you know. It's in being there for you, supporting you, protecting you, driving you to Langley, and standing beside you no matter what life brings.
With you, I found my purpose. And with you, I finally found a place that feels like home.
Today, I want to say clearly what my actions have always tried to show. You mean everything to me.
I wanna know where the seasons flow as we keep floating on. Only you, only me. Wherever you go, honey, I'll never leave. All of you, all I need. I want you to know I won't let you go, honey. Night pouring in through the curtains, moving with the wind. I wanna know where the seasons flow as we keep floating on. Only you, only me. Wherever you go, honey, I'll never leave.
not be the kind of love that's overwhelming, but I promise to be a love that lasts. Steady, certain, and something you can always come home to. I love you and I will always choose you.
You are my person, my home, and my forever. And even if I don't always say the words, I hope you will always know I love you with all that I am.